Hello kids! Today we are going to learn number 10 and do some fun review activities. A happy zero after the funny one. This is a 10 we have done. Look at the apples. 10 apples. Number 10. Now let's do some STEAM activities. S. Tell the children that we have 10 toes on both feet. T. Listen the name of 10 carefully while watching the video. E. Make the number 10 using Play-Doh. A. Dip your finger in your favorite watercolor and trace the number 10. M. Search things in your surrounding which are 10 in counting. Excellent! Now let's do some review activities. Write the counting from 0 to 10. Look at the lovely little train winding down the track. Let's start from the engine and fill in all the missing numbers from 0 all the way to 10 in each train car. Great job! Now let's move to the next activity. Tick the biggest number and cross the smallest number from each set. Look at the pairs of colorful numbers inside the boxes. In each box, let's find the biggest number and give it a big tick. And find the smallest number and mark it with a cross. Excellent! Now let's move to the last activity. Let's count the number of balloons. Look at the boxes filled with pretty balloons. Let's count them together, from 1 orange balloon all the way to 10 bright orange balloons. Excellent! See you next time. Goodbye.